Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Plugin. So today in this video, I am going to share all those products which are available under 500 rupees. So the very first product which I have with me today is this glycolic toner, which is from the brand called Dr. Sheth's. This product is really very good. It works amazing on your skin. This doesn't show any kind of a side effect on your skin. As it has gulab and glycolic toner inside it, it's going to hydrate your skin. It's going to bring glow on your skin. If you have any kind of a pimple, acne issues, it's going to get rid of those issues as well. So this is available on Nykaa for about 375 rupees, I guess. And I will be sharing all the links of all the products in the description. So if you want to check out any of these products, you can check out the products from the link. So the next product which I have with me is again a toner, and this is Kama Ayurveda toner. Lot of us love using rose water toners on our face because this is something which is very natural, and people have been using rose toners or rose waters from years in India, and it works amazing for different people. But this one specially from Kama Ayurveda is just amazing, and this is steam distilled, so it's very good for your skin, and this is also made in India. This is going to cost you rupees 300 rupees for 50 ml, but this product, once you will start using it, you will fall in love with it. If you will look for much affordable range of toners, I will highly suggest you to go for Biotique toner, which is a bio cucumber toner that is really very good for people especially with oily skin, that takes out all the dirt and grime from your skin, that minimize your pores. If you have any kind of a pimple or acne situation, it's going to work on that as well. It cleans your skin thoroughly. I love that particular toner personally. Actually currently I'm running out of that toner, that is why I'm not able to show you that particular toner. Otherwise that particular toner is something which I have been using from years, and I always keep at least one bottle of that toner with me. Whenever I am in doubt which toner to use, I always reach to Biotique Bio Cucumber toner. As we were talking about Biotique, the another product which I have is from the same brand, and this is their Biotique Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. This scrubs is amazing. I have been using this product again from years. This removes all your tan. It's not harsh on your skin, and it's very affordable as well. It's going to cost you just rupees 199, and Biotique always have discount. On Nykaa you will see they always run huge discounts on Biotique products, so you can easily get these products for 140, 150 rupees. And this is the product inside. This is the texture of the product. So I love using this product. This is the new bottle actually, because I was running out of my previous bottles. Once I apply this mask, I keep it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then it dries a bit, and then I slowly scrub it with very gentle hand, and then I wash it off. So in that way it works much better, and then after that I apply a good toner and a moisturizer. So this is the product that I will highly suggest. This is suitable for all the skin type. If you are looking for any kind of a face scrub, I will highly suggest you to try this one. The next product which I have with me is Nivea. This is their 48 hours roll-on protection. So this is the must-have for me. I cannot live without this product. I always keep on buying it. I keep on finishing it, and this is something which stays on your underarms for quite a good long time, especially during this summer and during rainy season also. Because of humidity we sweat a lot, so it's very necessary that we should also take care of our hygiene. So this is something which I will highly recommend you, and this is also available on Nykaa, and this is going to cost you rupees 185 for this bottle. But you can always get this particular product also on discount, always on Nykaa. This is also something which doesn't have any kind of alcohol inside it. So till now whatever products I have shown you, they are something which doesn't have any parabens or sulfates inside it. Now the next product which I have with me is from Mamaearth, and this is their Upton face wash. I have already reviewed this product on my channel, and this is something which I love. This has minute granules inside it, but it's not too harsh on your skin. If you have any kind of a tan on your skin, if your skin is feeling very dull, your skin is not having any kind of a glow, then you should definitely try this particular product. You're gonna love this one because this has turmeric and saffron, and both are ingredients which are really good for your skin glows, for your skin tan. If you have dull dehydrated skin, this product is going to work for you. The best part about this brand, as I always say, is that this is something which is free from parabens, silicone, sulfates, or any kind of a chemicals inside it. This is dermatologist tested brand as well, and this is going to cost you rupees 249 for this big tube of 100 ml. You can always get discount on Mamaearth as well. The link of all these products will be given in the description, so you can check all these products from there if you are interested to buy these products. And I have been using this product from quite a long time, and I have been loving this. So if you have not checked out the full video of this particular product, I will be sharing the video link in the description, so you can go and check it out from there. The next product which I have recently discovered is again from the brand Mamaearth, and this is their ultra light sunscreen. So this also again have turmeric and carrot seed inside it. This has SPF 50 PA+++. So this is going to protect you from UVA, UVB rays, and this is very lightweight. It doesn't leave any kind of a white cast on your skin. This is very moisturizing on your skin at the same time. I personally have oily to combination skin, and this doesn't make my skin oily or greasy. But I will not say that this is something which is having mattifying effect. No, it's not. But it's a very good product which doesn't make your skin oily or something. It makes you feel hydrated and moisturized. So this product is something which I am loving, and I am definitely going to buy full size product of this one. This is something which I have got free with some purchase, but I have been loving this one, and nowadays on regular basis I have been using this product only, and I'm about to complete this particular tube. So if you are someone who face problem of dry feet and like dehydrated feet, then I will highly suggest you to try this brand Vedic line. This is their soft heel cream. This particular product has worked amazing for me. This is really very nourishing on for your feet. This is very moisturizing. This is a bit thick cream, but not something which is unbearable. This is a thick cream. This is not very lightweight cream, but this works amazing. The smell of this product is of clove, because this has bee wax and clove inside it. If you will use it regularly for a few days, you will see instant difference on your feet. You should usually apply this product during night, and next day in the morning you will see that your feet are looking very soft and supple and well moisturized. So this is something which I will highly suggest you all, and this is pretty affordable as well. This is for about 175 rupees only. The next product again is a sunscreen, and this is from the brand Lotus. This is their 3-in-1 matte look daily sunblock. So lot of girls, they don't apply full face of makeup, but still they want to give apply something tinted which gives a good coverage to their skin. So if you are looking something like that, then this product is really very good. This is a tinted moisture sunscreen. You can see here. So at the same time, it's gonna moisturize your skin, protect your skin from sun damage, and it's also going to give you a tint on your skin like a BB cream. The coverage is not too much. It is having a very light coverage, but it gives you a very subtle look. So sometimes when I am not in mood to do anything on my skin and I have to go somewhere out, then I usually apply this particular sunscreen. and this is also pretty affordable. This is 275 rupees, and this is also a good brand which is made in India. This also doesn't have a lot of chemicals inside it, which is again a good part of it. And I have finished this product also. I only just 1 or 2 uses still left inside it. So this is also something very, very good. The next product which I have with me is this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E inside it. So this is my current favorite moisturizer. I used to love Clinique Moisture Surge, and both these moisturizer have almost same kind of a consistency. They work almost in a same way. Most of their ingredients are also same, as it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E inside it, so it's going to keep your skin always hydrated, and vitamin E is going to like repair your skin if you have any kind of a skin related issues like scars, pigmentation, then it's going to also take care of it. And this is very affordable. This is going to cost you 149 rupees for this tub. This tub is having 73 grams of product, which is pretty good for the price, and you can always get this product again in a discount. You can see I have already finished half of the product. So this is the consistency. This is gel based moisturizer, and this is something which is really very good for people with oily skin and combination skin. I will not say that it's going to stay on your skin like Clinique Moisture Surge, as that particular moisturizer stays for about 72 hours on your skin. Even after washing your face, you will feel that your skin is moisturized. This is not going to do that, but according to its price, it works amazing. The next brand which I am going to share with you is my recent favorite brand. So I have received this particular product in my PR, but I am highly impressed with this brand, and I am going to try more product from this brand. This is called Vilva. This is their vitamin E oil, and this is something which is very, very thick oil, so this cannot be applied by its own. Usually what I do is that when I apply moisturizer on my skin, then sometimes I just like touch it with my finger and I just mix it in my moisturizer and apply it onto my skin. That helps me with my skin glow, skin pigmentation, and if my skin feels very dull, then also this particular product works for that. And I also use this product for my hair. And when I apply hair mask or hair oil, I usually mix different kind of oils in it and then I apply it. So at that time I mix this vitamin E oil also in that mixture, and I mix it well and then I apply it onto my hair. So this makes your hair frizz free, it makes your hair shiny, it also helps you in reduction of hair fall. Very soon I am going to try their shampoo, which is very, very hyped these days. The shampoo name is Goat Shampoo, which is very, very good for people who have issues like hair fall and maybe dandruff as well. So whenever I will try that product, I will surely share that with you as well. So this product is going to cost you ₹550, and this is also available on Nykaa. They also have their website, and you can also contact them on their Instagram handle. The last two products which I am going to share with you all is not something which belongs to skincare, but these products I use on regular basis. I need them on regular basis and I quite love them. That is why I am going to share both of those products as well. So the first one is this Color Bar nail remover. So this is something which has protein and vitamin B5 inside it, so it's not going to harm your nails. It doesn't have alcohol inside it, so this is not going to damage your nails at the same time. And this is from the brand Color Bar, which is really very good brand, and you will get a big bottle of 100 ml 110 ml for ₹125, and you can always get this particular product also in discount. Usually you go for other nail pens also, which will cost you ₹80 or 90. This product in discount will also cost you 80 or 90 rupees. So this is one of the best nail paint remover I have ever seen. In one go only, it's going to take out all the nail paint from your nails, and you don't have to struggle a lot to remove your nail paints. That's the best part about it. I am clubbing both these products together and showing you. So that is why I've said last two products. I have one more product left with me. So this is Blue Heaven Dip and Twist Nail Paint Remover. So you can see the condition and you can understand that I have used this one a lot. So there are times when you don't have cotton pads at your home, or sometimes you don't want to like put in lot of efforts. You want something which is very quick and you have to go to somewhere and you want to apply your new nail paint immediately. So in that case, what you can do is that you can use these nail paint dips. This will cost you rupees just 65, which is very affordable. This bottle is going to like stay with you for about 3-4 months and it doesn't get dry or anything. So it has cotton in like it has some sponge inside it which has a nail paint remover into it. So you just have to dip your finger inside it. You have to do it like this and all your nail paint will go away. So I love this particular product. This is very affordable, very user friendly. It's very easy to travel with. So I love this one. Last but not the least, which I have, is Livon Vitamin E Hair Serum. I have been using from my teenage days, from the day I came to know like I have to use serums on my hair and that's gonna make difference onto my hair. From that time I'm using it, and I have used a lot of other like hair serums, but those hair serums like doesn't work for me in each and every season. But this one is something which can be applied it at any time, and this doesn't make my hair greasy, oily, and but still it works amazing on my hair. This makes helps me to make my hair frizz free, and this product is going to cost you somewhere about 250 rupees for this big bottle of 100 ml. This comes in a smaller bottle as well, so if you want to give it a try, you can try with small bottle, and then if you like it, then you can go for the bigger bottle. Initially I also used to buy smaller bottles only, but as I use it on regular basis, and now I have started buying their full size product because I love them and I have to use them like after each hair wash. So this is also something which I will highly suggest you. That's all for today's video. I hope that you will like this video. If you have liked this, then please don't forget to comment in the comment section, and if you want me to make affordable makeup videos or affordable skincare hair care video, then please let me know. I will definitely make that video as well. If you want me to make affordable body care video as well, I am going to make that as well for you all. And to support this channel, you can always buy any of these products if you are interested from the link in the description. That's gonna help me out. And if you have any queries, I'm always there for you. You can comment and I will answer to your questions. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you have liked this video, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell button, and do follow me on my other social media handles as well, like Instagram, Facebook page and Twitter. I will be sharing all the handles link in the description, so you can check it out from there. That's it for today's video. Until next time, Fashion Plugin signing off. Bye bye, take care.